What's wrong?
I don't want to go to school.
But you know you have to, and it's late, okay? Can you go brush your teeth for me? Good morning, y'all. So, right now I am trying to edit the vlog from yesterday. So this would be day 2. And I'm having the hardest time trying to edit because of... Yeah, you. She woke up, and of course she wanted to nurse. So Devin just left. He is at Volkswagen getting my car fixed because there was a recall on it. I mean, that car's been through so much. So yeah, that's what is going on. We woke up and Liam didn't have any clean uniforms, so we're like speed cleaning uniforms right now because we literally have like the smallest window, like 15 minutes or 15 minutes. That's the insider. So yeah, until he has to go to school. So that's what we're doing right now. So we're having a morning rush. I'm on my second cup of coffee. Lavender fell asleep. Devin is still doing his thing at Volkswagen, but they're working on the car. And now my computer is giving me the pinwheel of death. I should have never went to bed with my hair wet.
Dada.
Oh, he's fixing the car right now.
He's fixing the broken car?
Yeah.
Where?
At Volkswagen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I have to wait until we get 6 and then we work in the other car.
Yes, exactly. Say good morning.
Good morning. What do they have?
For breakfast?
No, for breakfast.
Oh, that's what I just said. Let me see if they have syrup for pancakes, but if they don't, what do you want? You want me to make some bacon and grits?
No, I think I want something that I like.
What do you want?
Sliced apples. Those are fruits.
Yeah, sliced apples are fruits. You're right.
I have to eat fruits.
Yes, every day. If y'all haven't noticed by now, every mealtime is super stressful for me because everybody eats something different and everybody's picky. I'm making some bacon and some grits and maybe some eggs. I don't know.
Oh.
Say hi. I knew you wanted to smile. I knew it. I'm gonna eat this last piece of bacon. Here you go. Mmm. Is it yummy? Look at the trash, how freaking ridiculously full. It's every day, y'all. And the trash just passed this morning. And that's crazy. Like a couple of hours ago. So they decided they wanted eggs. So I'm making eggs. Say eggs. Maverick, why aren't you eating?
Because I would be sad.
Why are you sad?
Because I think I don't want it.
You're not even eating anything. I made you bacon, grits, and eggs, so you need to eat something on that plate.
He spilled the grits on the table. No, not eat mine. You gotta eat mine.
So I'm about to post my vlog, y'all. Day 1. Y'all better watch it too. Y'all know this is taking a toll on me. Not even gonna lie, I'd be mad at Devin because like every time he gets out of the house, no matter if he's doing something that needs to be done, he will make it he will make a day out of it, like every time. Like I could have easily just dropped him off and we could have gotten some things done, but he'd just rather sit down he's been there since 8, 9, 10, 11, 4 hours. You know what I could do in 4 hours? This is Lavender's plate. This is Maverick's plate. And then he's gonna say, look, he's already at the fridge talking about he's hungry. Nope. The answer is no. Okay? And plus we have to get ready because y'all dad, we need to bring the rental car back. Now she's throwing a fit. Just trying to get all the way back there, pal. All right.
towel.
Okay, hold on. We have to let do you want to let Marley out for me, Prince? Okay.
Wait, it's too much.
Wait, baby. That doesn't even hurt. I know it doesn't. Look how handsome you look. Oh, look at how cute. All right. Say, good job. All right, come on. Open up. Open up, little girl.
Go.
Yeah, good job. She's like perplexed. Let me get the bag. Let me get the bag.
Let's go.
Ooh, she pretty. She pretty. A little something real fast. I didn't even get time to put on makeup, nothing. I just have to roll out because my life is a rush. It's a full-blown rush all the time. So we're going to drop off the rental because my car is done finally.
What happened to the granola, Ash? Hey, the granola.
Well, you drive horrible, so that's number one. That's what happened. Devin is a bad influence. He stopped at Starbucks so that I can get this Frappuccino. Now, y'all know I don't drink Frappuccinos.
Bro, she had it on her mind. I said, hey.
I said something
let's
fast.
go to freaking Firehouse. She's like, I don't want that. I want Starbucks.
He's over here trying to make me eat.
Look, you did it again.
Bruh, it's because that's your driving.
The whole bag.
Literally, that is the whole bag. Bruh.
Hear me?
What? Feeding that dog from a spoon. I'm not paying attention to this. I refuse. Devin. 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 Something's wrong. Something is not right with the spoon.
I'll go with spoon. He's a luxury dog. Yeah.
I'm freaking through.
It's a movie.
Oh, that's Prince. Oh, you want to watch it? You want to watch Princess and the Frog?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight, and anything can happen. We're on our way to Target. I don't know, whatever happens at Target stays in Target, you know what I'm talking about? Because when I go there, I get lost. I think they put something in the air that makes you instantly drawn to buy everything. This is my second house, y'all. Isn't it nice? I have a closet full of clothes in there too. Fully furnished, everything. So I forgot our cute masks, so now we're forced to wear these hideous masks. But hideous masks are better than none, right? You're excited to be home? So we have to get Liam some food for lunch because he doesn't like lunch at school, and his nurse called me earlier saying that he had a headache from not eating a lunch. So that's what we have to get this child, and he only eats peanut butter and jelly, so guess that's what we're getting. I have to get it. I should get all of them, but I'm gonna try to maintain my composure. This is my favorite granola in life, ever. Where I want to cry. Anyways, y'all, so we went to Target for literally a couple of things, like 5 things. We walked out spending $200. That's what I'm talking about. Something in Target's air. every time. I decided to make potato soup because I'm actually missing some of the ingredients for my beef and vegetable soup. I don't know why I thought I had cabbage, but I don't. You are the biggest helper ever.
Yeah. Where are the potatoes? Mommy, the potatoes want to go in there. The potatoes, the one that go in there.
Yep. In the great debate, what do y'all think is the best Chex Mix piece?
This one.
You like, let me see.
Yeah.
You like the wheat one?
Yeah.
Why? Explain to me why.
Because it's so sweet.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
See, my favorite is the corn one. This one right here. The best. It packs all the flavor.
The corn right there.
Yep. It's nice and crunchy.
I like
And look
the
at this
corn.
one. It's full of flavor.
This one?
Yeah, that's mine. Oh. I think they should get rid of this one. But y'all comment in the comment section down below. What's y'all favorite Chex Mix piece? What's wrong? She's just holding your jacket. She's not going to do anything to it. She's not going anywhere with it.
But there's no wrong with it.
And what is that going to do to it? It's not going to ruin it.
Yeah! But now you can have it because I like this.
Hey, okay. So listen. Since y'all can't get along, listen, Maverick, stop crying. Since y'all can't get along with the jacket, go ahead and put the jacket in your room, okay? That way it doesn't get dirty. Give me the jacket, please. Can I see it?
No.
Lavender. So I put in a little bit of cheddar. I'm gonna let that melt down. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of bacon. Just a little because we want to save it for toppings. And then we need sour cream.
What the potato soup looks like?
Like this. With bacon on it if you want bacon and cheese. That's what you helped me make. So you get to taste your food. Really? Okay. She's looking at him like, you bet not. Them a girl. Them a girl. She's trying to get you in on it. She's trying to hug you. Look. See? I have the sweetest kids, y'all. I really do.
Can I take it down too?
There you go. Lambert. Lamb. Where's Lamb? Why do you have your mask on? Down at the table and eat your food because I've asked you multiple times. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sit down. And say your grace. Liam, what are you gonna eat? Because that's all we have. That's the option.
One peanut butter and jelly.
You're not having peanut butter and jelly. You can at least eat this. This is really good. They have bacon, cheese, potatoes. It's really good. You want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? You want to take a bath? Come on, let's go take a bath. Come on. Let's go take a bath. Come on. Bath? Okay, let's take a... All right, let's take a bath. Come on. Yes, this. We're going to take a bath, okay? Yeah? Okay.
Some oatmeal.
You want oatmeal?
Yeah, it's oatmeal.
You cannot have oatmeal because you didn't eat your potato soup.
I love oatmeal.
You tired? Lord, child. Did you poo-poo?
No.
You smell like poo-poo.
No.
Yeah, you do.
This.
What?
This.
She wants to nurse. If I let you nurse, you promise to fall asleep?
Love this.
What?
I love this.
No, you cannot have Oreos. Put it back. Now, this is the game every night. I have to act like I'm going to sleep with her so that she can fall asleep while she's nursing. Now this is the part where I have to figure out how to get up and out so that I can finish cleaning the dishes and taking care of the other kids. So pray for me. All right, let's go over this homework. What is the meaning of the word past as it is used in a paragraph to what happened already?
Yeah, past.
And already is A-L, ready. A-L is together. Already is A-L-R-E-A-D-Y, okay?
I don't want people seeing this. I want this private. Only my teachers could see this. I don't know how to draw.
Just draw your best one.
I do know that their face is like, not this. I don't know.
You can draw your own kind. It doesn't have to be like a certain, you know, type. But Liam, Mommy made you potato soup. I really did. So what do you want to do about that?
Mom, I did eat
You can
it.
choose to eat it or choose not to eat it.
I don't want to, but I'm hungry.
Okay, sit up and let's finish your schoolwork, okay?
Don't see. Let me tell you at the top of the coconut tree. We said the D-E-F-G.
It is 11 o'clock. Devin just got home. I'm just finally sitting down to eat. And Lavender has woken up. Yeah. That didn't last at all.
Mommy, no one's like makes the potato.
And Maverick's eating.
When you try a potato. Got so much PJ Maxx toys, and then Cecil say yeah, mine, and I have to spell Maverick.
Oh, yeah, you have to write that on your list.
Yeah, write my list to like Maverick, and then he'll be nice to me, and then he'll give me a present.
Yeah.
And then he'll give me so many, and then he'll give me the headquarters and the Gekomobile.
So the headquarters and the Gekomobile, that's what you want?
Yeah, and the Gekomobile.
Okay.
Car. Good night, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog.